My name is Trishelle Kirk. I just completed Real Leadership Live. A lot of the aspects of leadership they're very logical. Good life practices that I'm really excited to take into my job. Fun, and it was interesting, and it was practical.
Gosh, it was fun, it was interactive, and it was useful information that you can apply, whether you're in corporate America or the nonprofit sector. So much to share, so I'd really encourage you to check it out. Leadership Live.
Kristen Fox. I'm at Real Leadership Live. It really helped me be aware of how I communicate and how I can more effectively communicate with my clients moving forward. So that was invaluable to me. Helpful, informative, and to be honest, actually really inspiring.